imbis na iyakan mo ng iyakan, pasalamatan mo ang Diyos sa lahat ng pintuang sinara ng ating Panginoon. Because when God closed the door, there is more. Amen. Tingin kayo sa camera, tingin kayo sa screen, tingin kayo sa screen. God is not letting you down. He is setting you up for another breakthrough, for another blessing, for another miracle. Would you follow the Lord right now? Would you hear Him right now? Paano kung sabihin ng Panginoon, this is the way? Kapag sinabi ba ng Panginoon yun, this is the way, ipagpipilitan mo pa ba yung daan mo kasi yun ang nakasarayan mo? Ito naging source of income namin. Pastor, 25 years ako dito sa trabahong ito. Bakit ako na... Sabi ng Lord, okay, I know. That job, that business, I've been feeding you for years. And that is a blessing in and of itself. But I'm bringing you to another season. You have to listen. I'm guiding you. Hindi kita pinapahamak, siniset up kita sa bagong milagro. Kasi sinasabi ng Lord, this is the way now. Walk in it. This is the way now. Ito yung lakaran mo ngayon. Kasi naniniwala ko mga kapatid, as I've said, God's got your back. At naniniwala ko dahil ang Diyos na sa likod natin, lagi niyang binubulong sa atin. Kaliwa. Kanan. This is the way. Walk in it. In fact, may biblical reference yan. Ang sabi mismo ng ating Panginoon, last verse before we close, Isaiah 30 verse 20 to 21. This is going to bless you. This verse is going to bless you. Ang sabi ng verse 20, although the Lord gives you the bread of adversity, although the Lord gave you a water of affliction, your teachers will be hidden no more. With your own eyes you will see them. Watch this. Whether you turn to the right or to the left, your ears will hear a voice behind you saying, this is the way. Walk in it.